Have you ever added two numbers and felt confused because the ones became more than 9? Today, I will show you the secret trick that makes addition super easy. Welcome back to Mini Mathematician. In today's video, we will learn how to add two-digit numbers with regrouping, also called carrying. Our question is 37 plus 48. This is written side by side. To solve it correctly, especially when regrouping, we must write it in top to bottom form. Make sure the ones digit line up together and the tens digit line up together. This helps us add place value correctly. Kids, what is the step 1 of addition? Well done! Always start with the ones place. 7 ones plus 8 ones equals 15 ones. 15 ones is more than 9, so we cannot write all 15 in the ones place. We keep 5 ones at the bottom and we carry 110 to the top of the tens column. Now, what is the second step of addition? Very good! Add the tens place. 3 tens plus 4 tens equals 7 tens. Now, add the 110 we carried. 7 tens plus 1 more tens equals 8 tens. So, our final answer is 85. That means 37 plus 48 equals 85. That's all for today's kids. In the next video, we will learn how to add numbers when one number has 2 digits and the other has only 1 digit. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mini Mathematician and share this video with your friends.